Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylee. Today we are doing a nighttime speed clean with me. PJ is currently on a flight, so I thought I'm literally not doing anything else right now. I just took a shower, so my hair is currently air drying, so I apologize for my appearance, but I put some mascara on so I didn't look so crazy. And then I also gave Dixie a bath, so she's all fluffy. But yeah, so PJ's going on a work trip, so I thought might as well film. Typically around this time we're at the gym still, and then we usually come home, eat dinner, and watch Netflix or something, but I want to be alone. But it's just Dixie and I, so we're just gonna hang out. I've been loving Farmville, and if you play that game, let me know because I've been obsessed with it. Today's video is also sponsored, which thank you Yeedi for sponsoring today's video. I will be going over all of that stuff later in the video. So yeah, with all that being said, we're doing the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. I hope that you get some motivation from this, and let's go ahead and get started.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why
So I'm not sure why this keeps happening. I'm pretty sure it's just because the house is settling, because this is a brand new house. But the drawer, you're going to see it start moving out by itself, and it happens all the time as of recently, and it keeps freaking me out. So let me know, because watch, it's literally about to happen. It happens all the time, and I'm always having to like push it in, like especially if I'm washing dishes and I notice it, I just like kick my leg up to like push it back in. You're gonna see me do that in this video too, but let me know, does this happen to you guys?
maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh.
Okay, so I have some cool editing going on, but I wanted to show you 3 candles that I'm completely obsessed with because if you guys know, I love Disney and Flight of Passage is my favorite ride. And the smell, if you've been on it, you just know the smell. So there's one that I got from Target, the one from Kirkland's, and then there's also one from Bath and Body Works that a lot of people say that it smells like. I haven't specifically smelled that one, but the other 2 from Kirkland's and Target, I feel like, in my personal opinion, it smells almost exactly like the ride. So if you're obsessed with it as much as I am, definitely go check that out. I usually don't buy Bath and Body Works candles just because I think they're really expensive. So I just go the cheaper route. And I go to Target and I spend $5. So let me know if you know what I'm talking about and if you think those smell like them too.
When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be a therapy, I wanna be free. So, ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on. cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should. So it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never smile.
Now for the amazing Yeedi Vac 2 Pro. This thing is absolutely insane. It's so cool. Okay, so I wanted to show you the Yeedi vacuum up close because it's really, really nice. I really, really love this. So this is actually the mopping portion. So we're going to put this in, and that is the mopping pad that you can actually take off and wash. And then this is the charging station, and this is compatible with the self-emptying vac station, which gives you 30 days of not having to worry about emptying it out yourself, which is really nice. Okay, so I have everything set up now. The station is really nice and compact. The vac station that's compatible with this is sold separately, by the way. Okay, so I have my app open, and we're gonna go ahead and start a clean. So this is what it looks like. I went ahead and mapped out our living room area and everything just so I can show you guys what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and press start.
Starting vacuuming.
Yeedi can vacuum and mop at the same time. It has a smart visual mapping and navigation, so it always cleans edges, corners, and the entire floor in neat rows. One of the best features you're going to want when having a robot vacuum is edible mapping, and Yeedi does just that. Okay, so now I'm going to set up the mopping portion. So I'm just going to fill this with filtered water, and then we're going to attach it. Take that out, and we're just going to insert this one in. Cool. All right, so I'm just going to click on the vacuum, and I'm going to actually do like a custom cleaning area. So I'm going to pinpoint it right here in front of this area, and this is going to be really nice. So if you ever need to spot clean anything, and you can choose what water flow level you want and also your vacuum power. I don't really need a lot of vacuuming, so we're going to change that. And yeah, we're going to change this and clean it 2 times. And let's go ahead and try that. Okay, so now I'm going to take out the water reservoir and put this one back in, and I also want to check the dustbin and see how full it is. So it's pretty simple to take out the water one. You just pull out, and then you can, oh, so it also tells you that it's going to be switching back and forth. So there is all the ketchup and the Coke. So you can actually take that off and wash it, and we're going to put this one back in. All set. And so now I want to check the dustbin to see how well it vacuumed the living room. Yep, that's pretty full. So I'm going to go ahead and empty this and then put this back in here. To empty this, all you have to do is press up on this and release it like that, and you can dump out all the dirt. So now I can go ahead and put this back in the robot and it's good to go for the next time. Extended runtime of 120 minutes, which is perfect for cleaning houses, and it's voice compatible with Google Home and Alexa. I will leave everything down below in the description box. Make sure you go check it out, and thank you Yeedi for sponsoring today's video.